We've been in our house 15 years. We've raised 4 kids in it, and now that 2 of them have moved on to being adults by going to school and moving out, now we decided that we're actually going to put some effort into our basement. And in doing so, we created an area where we can watch movies, a media area where the whole family can get together. Because, I mean, after all, why would we do it now when half of them are gone? Yeah, didn't think that all the way through. But in doing so, realized I wanted a console table behind the sofa where we could put popcorn and drinks and snacks and so on and so forth. And I decided, despite what the World Wide Web says, that's the internet for you kids under 30, I was going to build a river table. I know people think it's overdone, but I haven't done it yet. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to build a river table. We're going to use my favorite epoxy resin, StoneCoat Countertops epoxy. We're going to actually sand it to a satin sheen. This thing's going to be bomb-proof when it's done. But in order to see it done, you got to wait for part 2, because this is a 2-part series. In this part, we're actually going to build the mold. We're going to flatten the slab. We're going to get the slab ready. We're going to put it in the mold. We're going to pour the river, get it ready for demolding, and then, yeah, you got to come back. Kind of want you to come back because I enjoy hanging out with you. Yeah. So I want to do a real quick shout out and thank you to Michael Long at MK Designs, who I bent his ear 50 million times during this project. And of course, my steadfast shop friends, Adam and Martin, that came over to give me a hand during this build. You'll see them in and out of the video. But yeah, I'm really excited about this project and I can't wait to share it with you. So before you go, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the channel with your friends. I mean, after all, it's free, right? And in 2 weeks, you get to see part number 2 if you hit that little ringy-dingy bell to tell you that I uploaded part number 2. So it's great seeing you. Look forward to sharing this project with you, and what do you say we get started? Wow, that was, whoo, that was something. We've got it actually flattened. At least the first pass. I only had one mistake, and that was right here. And I know what happened. My rails are a little bit shorter than the actual slab. I had to do a little bit of shimming. The shim moved. I lost a little bit of concentration and it dipped. So, but you know what? It's on the bottom and it's gonna be covered with an LED box. So I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm pretty happy for my first try at slab flattening. That was a lot of work. So that's where we are in the process. Super excited how this is coming out. This Ambrosia curly maple slab is not disappointing. StoneCoat Countertops super cast, pouring that 1 3/4 inches thick, no problem. The turquoise metallic dye, fantastic. We left it a little translucent so we can see through. We got a surprise coming up. Although I guess I gave it away when I talked about the LED box, but that's okay. That's in video 2, which will be coming out in 2 weeks. So make sure you keep an eye out on my channel, or don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And while you're here, why don't you check out a couple of these other videos I've done. And when you're done with that, make sure you get on over to Mike's channel, MK Designs, Fine Woodworking. You can find them on YouTube. In fact, you know what? Somewhere on here, I'm sure the link will pop up. In the meantime, have an amazing couple weeks. Get in your shop, make beautiful things, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.